Okay, I have an Alexa Echo. I think it's
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Ignore her. The speaker's gone in this one. This is the 3rd generation. So we're gonna swap out the speaker. I've got hold of another speaker and we're gonna swap them over. See if we can do this together. Right. Take the bottom cover off. What's that? Okay, that's probably where they do test it or flash the chips and then program it. Okay. First of all, we've got 4 gold screws. By the way, this one works fine, but on certain songs the speaker sort of bottoms out and it crackles like the speaker's gone. So we're gonna replace it. Pop the top off. As I did that, the ribbon cable come off. Yeah, so it looks like it's stuck to that. Does that look an aerial? That goes there. That goes over that section. What's that section do? Not too sure. Right. Right. I don't know where to leave that Captain tape on. Take it off. It's got to go through that hole. Looks on there. Okay. Underneath. Got the speaker wire. That's the main. Oh, come on. These want to come out. There we go. That was a bit tough. Okay. I'll wrap that around there. Right, you've got a tweeter board there. Looks nice. It's not dusty or anything like that. That's good. Yeah, I'll put that to one side. Okay. So we've got another 3 torque. I think the size 10. So it's a size 10 torque bit. Okay, this should pull out. looks like it's got a tiny seal around there. Just need to break that seal gently. Filter the wire out. Come out there. And then you have the speaker. So put that to one side. So we've got all them screws, separate them. Right, to get the speaker out, we have one gold screw just there. That's just to secure the speaker in place. I think the pressure from that going down, once it's screwed in, holds it in place. So just take that one gold screw out. In theory, we should be able to just give this a tug. It gently comes out. Speaker looks fine. But obviously at certain frequencies it makes a funny like scratchy sound. So I'll put that to one side so I don't accidentally put that one back in. Alright, so inside there's another 4 screws, Torx 10. You undo them and then you can get to the board on the top here. And it's got another ribbon cable just like that one that joins the two together. So, but I'm going to go open that today. I'm going to put this speaker in. Right, so I'll lift it in at an angle so it goes straight. And you've got to locate it on the lugs, not damaging the ribbon cable. It's got little lugs, like 2 prom pins, made of plastic, and it just sits on them. Yeah. Then we've got the one gold pin that goes there, just to locate the speakers in the correct place. Hold it down, so we're going to put that in. I should have done a video of the original speaker playing up first, but if you know what music is, you know if it's crackly, sounds like an old record, which is nice, but we don't want that for our devices. I won't say her name. So you feed the speaker wire and the ribbon cable back through. Obviously clip it back into place. On some of these it has another board here, an aerial board, where it has an extra wire coming out. It locates through these little tabs and clips in. I'm not too sure if it's a Wi-Fi board or an aerial for picking up just normal FM radio or DAB radio. I'm not too sure, but some have it, an extra board there with an extra wire. Some boards don't. Right. Not boards, devices. Right, so now it's these long ones. Right now, you've got the tweeter board. Looks fine. So we read the tweeter board's got springs, it's set on springs. Oh, they're not springs, that's a screw. Yeah, a screw. So you can change the tweeter, that's nice. Okay. Needs a power. So we've got the speaker. Go in. Alright, so that obviously goes around that way, that goes around that way. This goes through the slot. Obviously don't pinch the speaker wire. It's got to sort of go down the side of where it's screwed in. It's like a standoff, so it goes in. There we go. Okay. Obviously it doesn't hold itself down, it uses the lid to hold it down, so now we've got to carefully, I've actually folded it now. So that goes in. So obviously you've got the connector. It's got two parts to it. It's got the connector and then you've got the latch that goes down. So you've got to be really careful with these. Obviously, like, I don't know if you can see, but it just flaps down, flaps up, and that clamps it. And it's got the connections on the back of the rim cable there. And it's got to go in the correct position. It's sort of, if you push it home, push it so it can no longer go in, and a little, you can actually feel it clip into place. And obviously we're gonna stick her down. Right, now put the cover back on. I'm still not too sure what that is. If anyone knows what that does, some kind of RF or some kind of signal booster or something, maybe. Okay, get back on. Then we put the base, sticky base back on, and then we'll test. Alright, put this one in first. That protects the test points and where it's like flashed, the chip's flashed. And then it should line up this for us. Not perfect. I've stuck it down now. Oh no, I'm gonna have to move it. That's a bit better, at least they sit flat. Right, So that's done. Let's go and test it. Then I might give it a clean. Well, I've just plugged her in. Let her start up. So where to get the green, is it green and blue? Means they're dead. That type of thing. So I reckon it's done. Alexa, what's the weather like outside?
In Waterlooville, it's 19 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun. Today's forecast calls for more of the same, with a high of 24 degrees and a low of 10 degrees.
That sounds fine to me.